And today, an unboxing of these Philips Hue 60-watt equivalent 3-pack of Philips Hue bulbs. Now, these bulbs do work via Bluetooth, but also if you want the most features of Philips Hue, of course, you want to use the Hue Bridge for all the multi-view and away from home features. These of course do work with Zigbee. There's a little bit of your color information. You can see they're 9.5 watts, 800 lumens equivalent, and 25,000 hours of life. Little warning, nothing on the bottom, and just a Philips logo on top. So let's cut our little Hue seal there and take a look. So that's how they packaged them. That's why they only gave you 3, because instead of properly turning these upside down and stuff where they could have fit 4, they wanted to only be 3. So we got a little pamphlet with all the, warnings and stuff like that. And then you get 4 of the typical Philips Hue white and color 800 lumen bulbs. They have changed these to like a goldish font there. They used to not be. But that's what the bulbs look like. They are made out of plastic, so you don't got to worry about them breaking or anything. And the colors are just amazing. So bulb 1, 2, and 3. And then, well, that's it for the box. So of course, these, as I mentioned, work with the Philips Hue Bridge, which is great to give you way more features. Or if you're planning to just use these at home, they do work with Bluetooth. They also work with Alexa, Google Home, all of that. So that is essentially just a little unboxing to show you what you get here. You get 3 bulbs. That's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next unboxing. Deuces.